chiremwa. Dumsor abopie on nempatem ho no. Enya agro. Ye campaign no. Na mo fi se mo ye MPP aban. Na mo fi se mo ye MPP aban.
Mame ma wakwa ba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wo frɛ me adwoa searching ebusuafo sofo Oduro ena Ghana fo aso asi ne so gidigidi anya asem keto akra no omo kyerɛ sɛ o shut up na onye din di obefemi bia no he has no right to complain e wo man yeti ebu. In fact NDC ni o NPP ni o floating voter, whoever you are, no, the air so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na membu nemu biano esa wo kan wanu tum na titilu pa ni Sofo Kofi Oduro. Adentina Ghana for so esi Sofo Kofi Oduro ne so a Sofo Kofi Oduro agina na sorry dem say Dumsor no so ntimi nda ni dem se ne ire abo naked ne hu sisi ne ho so ene da na papa ye gya ho akoda bontin ehu no ho adaye o shoulder no light no ho. Sofo Kofi Oduro say he doesn't think fire, he doesn't think madness. Until jana sorry them na tie okeke na Ghana force papa ye din o what the light Sofo Kofi Oduro we ye mpanifo sinye mu bebre o man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say was also president in the pencil from 2012 up to 2016 ye da Dumsor mo Ghana ha Ghana njuma collapse amanfo wu hospital emofra oxygen and this is almost we because of Dumsor nti ni na Ghana force mo refi. His Excellency John Dram and another down Kwakufado, former president by wabe ma free SHS wabe tia a junior high school from registration fee wabe my ambulance ojana nanso every constituency they will provide be creative jobs nanado efa nurses na teachers esin aban bia nanado ya kwan esin aban bia oye interchange esin aban bia. In fact nanado tia nurses and teachers allowance e wo kromia ni na Ghana for so want asinde His Excellency continue fi no aye bonsam so oye the worst president Ghana we have ever had. Na mo atulu no okona se aban foforo aba le say Dumsor na tize mampenda da Mahama na ne tag Dumsor nti na no tru mutan Dumsor ndu be debti din what so dem akeke ma na waso ma na koto aba mendis. Whatever you are enjoying, keep quiet and enjoy. Ube kika mu ya school ya so me unya light in the ba de be no mpe yenti nsem e koso.
Prophet Kofi Oduro abekasa na prophet chiremu a Dumsor ha no Dumsor tete no on tese ontimi na kora ontimi ne yire kora na kete ba koso abusia yanko ne yanko tie prophet Kofi Oduro asema o kafa Dumsor ene joma ama ho na yembra sisia na ento aso we tese
Today I slept outside of my house. I slept on 3 chairs. And I slept on 3 chairs. Because you can't sleep. You are living in a nation that has leadership. We voted for leaders. We're giving them free food, free water, free electricity, free plane, free fuel, free everything. And giving them salary. And we are asking them, fix our mess. Lead us better. And you people are there, enjoying with your families and, having it. Because when the lights went off and we are in the heat, your generator starts automatically and we are paying for it. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Let's say that I am a pastor of a denomination and I spoke against this. I will be transferred the next week. Suspended. So even our fathers are not making it easy for the trouble to be solved.
Yes. Prophet Kofi Oduro, chiremu a Dumsor abopie on ne mpatem ho no. Enya agro. Ye campaign no, na mo fi se mo ye MPP aban. Na mo fi se mo ye MPP aban. Prophet ya asema oboba Ghana bia no wo de wano tom. Ene wo ye campaign ma Jo Mahama. Prophet Kofi Oduro wo ye campaign e wo aso de ma Jo Mahama ene ndisi aban. Ene wo hu de eto. Wo hu hwe. 1 month 2 months maye ene wo tia woni wo yere kwantimi na untim na kete so kona koto generator si wa so do fie kona koto generator esi wudan mu kona koto generator na ebeboa wo na enye ne san ho a Dumsor ne de afi na obefesi o afi na ebeba o enu ba bia we ye ehon popoye we eye ehon popoye ye bom kokko ye ka kire mu prophet ya umma wano na bibia ba bibia wo do wano etum prophet ya wo ye kam ne Ghana Dumsor aba John
yam fum so bebre adanya una meduma to edeba dia generator Dumsor aba
ba onte
Dumsor is back again.
onte kani ano ho hwe
Dumsor aba guys
sa
Dumsor aba ite na una medumu a to adanya yedum kania jasema mo kan say yemfa chewom MPP ye de chewom yenim say asema ye kan ye say ukoto aba madwomama ukofa Dumsor aba Ghana no and then manifest no Dr. Cash me ka sem bi kire o fie ha emna na ye ba beto aba me ka kire o say send this fuo ni nkrofo bi omo say omo kra generators ne eye friends plant ahodo eba krom ha say no akokohia no mo ka kire o say mo moaye mo fa musika mbeboaye kofo egi tum to eye pickups ne ade mma wo asema omo ne omo ka nyina say yen disifo yen ba yen me kwan ye be fa so ama mo plant ene mo generator no adwuma no akoso enu na omo de eye wo mo yi enu na omo de ye Ghana fo yi enne obia epe ni generator echi kwan Dumsor aba enne obia epe ni generator echi kwan ukọ aduma me no ka say me fie aduma me be Dr. Cash generators yi ayedede sa ne boys omo PZ wonum nyina me komanim honum nyina friend say Prudential Plaza nche obia ebuafu adentia president mama abebium na anajo ukofia age say ofre bi say light wo fie sakasa we so anda na nado dankwa akufado ene yera baumia sakasa we twemu sakasa we etwemu but ene age say ofre fie bi say nkane awo president mama o say yembo se wo ba wo be man kane na gina so eden na enei ekosue ene den ekosue Dr. Cash the san ya homete kura wo mu say be 4-5 days insuo so ma president mama say obaye no minim say I don't know ya bon duana ana ye de ba semwa and this for ya bom duana Dr. Cash and never 4-5 days and then so nyina ema obi otaba e bon frama na kire wo mo sey mo say mo ba be ye nioma magana fo mo to wo Dr. Cash omo sey mo say omo ba ama fango bu asamba fom Dr. Cash say enne nkofo ekoto generator omo pe generator echi kwan no omo san fa nje omo trim say e fango na asan beto atum wo beto agum enne me no ka say fango bu ono so eno so ya san atutum. It is too trouble one God. And that's some nesi will crow him. And that's some nesi will crow him. Most say about some of them Ghana from what to womb. But a nay, young Shania cost will grow him. And I'm a Ghana for a babatum will grow him. And young Caniana Mudumna. A pipe and a mudum. For a